Want a smoother and more responsive experience on your smartphone? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable the 120Hz refresh rate on your phone using the latest 2026 settings layout. A higher refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and everyday navigation feel much faster and more fluid. Go to the Settings app menu. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. This section contains various options related to your screen, including brightness, screen resolution, and refresh rate settings. Next, look for Motion Smoothness and tap on it. Depending on your phone model and software version, this option may also be labeled as refresh rate or screen refresh rate. Open the menu to view the available refresh rate options. Now select Adaptive or High Refresh Rate. The adaptive option is recommended because it automatically adjusts the refresh rate based on what you're doing, helping balance smooth performance and battery life. If your device offers a fixed 120Hz mode, you can choose that for the smoothest possible experience. After making your selection, tap Apply at the bottom of the screen if required. Your phone will immediately switch to the new refresh rate setting. Enjoy the ultra-smooth 120Hz display and experience faster, more fluid performance across apps, games, and daily use.